guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I currently look like this. However, I just wanted to come on and quickly intro this video because I am so excited to be bringing you a room tour today. If you don't know, this is the first room that I lived in away from my parents. I currently live with 2 roommates. Honestly, been like the best year of my life. I have grown so much emotionally, physically, mentally, everything of that nature. This year has taught me a lot. I can't stress that enough. Has taught me so much. Anyways, with all of that being said, that this is the first room where I paid for pretty much about 95% of what is in it all on my own, and I furnished it and decorated it exactly how I wanted to, and I'm so excited that it is finally done and I am able to show you my room tour. Everything that I mentioned that I can find will be linked down below for you guys in case you want to find them too, so look down below, click the link. Okay. Here we are, right outside my room, ready for a room tour. I've lived here for about a year and it's finally completely finished. It is a little, not at its perfect prime condition right now, but I still wanted to go ahead and show you. For reference, stairs go down to my living room, kitchen, obviously. And then there is my roommate's room. And that's the layout, but let's go ahead and get started with the room tour. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Overview. Okay, so this is where you see, right when you walk into my room, 2 purses on command hooks. They have space for them, they're out of the way, and they're still at easy access, which I really like because I automatically know to put my purse here when I get home so I can't lose it or whenever, and it's out of the way. Like I said, use command hooks for purses if you haven't yet. Really big pro tip, and I love it. So next thing you see, and you probably all know, is from the iconic famous purple door that Monica Geller has. I love it. My best friend actually got it for me. I think she got it from Etsy, so if I can find it, I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. I really do love it, and I feel like it ties in a lot of the yellow in my room, and Friends is one of my favorite shows, so it's nice to have a part of that in my room. And then moving on, we have my closet right here. Above here, I do have one missing, and I just deep cleaned my room, and I still can't find it. But I have a bunch of Polaroids. I got them online, made them into Polaroids. And they're literally just my Instagram pictures of family and friends and some of my favorite places all hung up. And I love it. And I think it adds a lot of personality to the room. And it's actually one of my favorite things about my room, even though there is one missing and I know it's annoying, but I love it anyway. I actually just recently finally hung up my letter board, and right now it says block his number and enjoy your summer. If you know, you know. And it is actually from Target. It's like $10. So not for the life of me remember where I got this Breathe poster from. It is in a cheap Walmart frame. I know that one. I cannot remember where I got the Breathe poster from, so I'll try to find it and I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. I actually have a bunch of clothes that I'm going to donate to Goodwill when I think it is safe and a good time to. For right now, they're just in this garbage bag, and it is what it is. When it's time, I'm going to donate those. In this storage basket, I have all my blankets, which is really nice because once again, they have a place and they're out of the way, but I can still grab them if me or a friend needs to. And this basket is from TJ Maxx. Lovely trash can. I have a lamp that's from Walmart. It's really affordable and it's a decent lamp for the price, so recommend this as well. Of my room, I have these string lights, which are from Target actually, and I like the light that it brings into my room. And at night, I only have these lights on, and it brings in a lot of light. This is I believe they called it a kitchen rug, also from Target. Take a shot every time I say something's from Target, you'll be drunk. Most of my room is from Target, you'll notice. But I think I'm gonna get a new one just because it really doesn't match with the comforter anymore. TBD for now, and it's just this, and it's fine for the time being. The desk is actually a pretty big focal point, I would say, of my room. And my desk is from Walmart. Actual chair is my roommate's old chair, so I took it because they weren't using it anymore. I just have a blanket covering it and a for support, which is from Target as well. The yoga mat is just hanging out there in the back corner, put away nice and hidden. So I just recently organized these three, well, there's 6 because there's 3 on each side. I just recently organized these drawers. So they're pretty well organized. Everything has a place. I have my laundry basket right here tucked away and hidden because it's really bulky if you don't close it down. So this first drawer is art supplies, mostly like markers and rulers and stickers and just like random art supply stuff that I've had over the years. Extra command hooks. I have markers in a mason jar because I like the way it looks. I have a notebook here as well as a passion planner, extra markers, and an adult coloring book. I have some yearbooks as well as books that I used to use for class and notebooks, and really just books are on the shelf, and a lint roller is mostly there because it will fall down. Extra pillowcases in here and letters for my letterboard and my diploma just chilling on top. These 3 drawers are mostly electronic, so like I have my skylight projector, switch, TV remote, and Apple Watch in the top one, the ones that I use the most. Here is like extra cords and extra like boxes and stuff like that, and a face mask. You know we need those right now. And then I have headphones and cords and light bulbs and random magic bands, stuff tucked and put away in these storage bins, which are from TJ Maxx. This is my record player. It was really affordable from Amazon. It'll be linked down below in case you guys want one as well. It works great in my opinion. I have my records next to it, obviously, and then in this magazine holder, technically, I have these folders that are marble, and they have like important papers and stuff like that that I need because I'm an adult. And I have my hydro right here, usually on my desk at all times. I'm currently reading this book right now, and then I'm going to read this book after, and that's my most used journal. And then I also have just some change right here in a big mason jar. Is my laptop case, which was custom made for me by my cousin actually, and obviously my laptop's in here. Is really what tied my room together. I feel like I wanted something like this for a while. I thought about making my own gallery wall, but I actually bought this on heartmansclothes.com. It was about $35 for 25 prints, which if you know prints, that's a really good price. I could put frames in them, but I just decided not to. And I got the mellow yellow kit. If you were wondering, ties together my whole room, I feel like look at that. Wow. Anyway, on this wall I have pictures of me that are like some of my favorite pictures. They're in black and white, and they're me holding balloons, and I just knew that I wanted to have that hanging up in my room when I moved out, so here it is. Lastly, the main focal point as well, besides my desk, is obviously my bed. My bed frame is new, and it is from Wayfair. I got it for like 80% off. I'll leave a link down below. People have mixed feelings about Wayfair, but I'm pretty satisfied with this purchase. So this comforter is actually a duvet, and inside is my old comforter. The duvet is from Amazon, $28. Great deal, I think. Yeah, that really helps like bring out pops of yellow. Is from Target, as well as that yellow pillow and that navy blue pillow. I don't know where they're from because my mom got them, but I feel like it adds a lot of height to the bed, so they're there. I have Live by the Sun and Live by the Moon signs, which are from At Home, which is very similar to like a TJ Maxx or Home Goods. That's what they look like. So I believe that is it. That is my bathroom, but we are not going in there. It is a mess. That is my completed room tour.